So hi, this is for the Scorpio people. Okay, நான் love reading and career reading வந்து பண்ண போகிறேன் ஃபார் த மே ப்ரெடிக்ஷன். ஓகே, அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து பார்த்துட்டிங்க அப்படின்னா இது வந்து ஜென்ரல் ரீடிங். இது வந்து பொருந்தாமையும் கூட போகலாம். த அமௌண்ட் ஆஃப் இது வந்து சில பேருக்கு வந்து சர்டைன் அமௌண்ட்ஸ் வரைக்கும் பொருந்தும், சர்டைன் அமௌண்ட் வந்து இதுவே வந்து பெருசாகும். இப்போ வந்து ஒரு சண்டை ஒரு சச்சரவு அப்படின்றதுனா டிபெண்ட்ஸ் அப்பான் யுவர் காமா, டிபெண்ட்ஸ் அப்பான் யுவர் எனர்ஜி. ஒரு சின்ன சண்டையாகவும் கூட இருக்கலாம். இதே ஸ்கார்பியோ வேறு யாரோ பீப்புளுக்கு இதுவே கொஞ்சம் பெருசாக கூட இருக்கலாம், சம்டைம்ஸ் இல்லாமல் கூட இருக்கலாம். பேஸ்ட் ஆன் தேர் எனர்ஜி தே ஹாவ் அ வெரி குட் டைம் அண்ட் குட் கர்மா. அண்ட் ஒன் மோர் திங், ஜென்ரல் ரீடிங் இது வந்துட்டு எது பொருந்ததோ அதை எடுத்துக்கோங்க. இப்போ உங்களுக்கு வந்து பர்சனல் ரீடிங் நீங்கள் எடுத்துக்கணும் அப்படின்னு வந்து நீங்கள் நினச்சிங்க அப்படின்னா மை ஃபோன் நம்பர், மை வாட்ஸ்அப் நம்பர் அண்ட் மை இன்ஸ்டாகிராம் ஐடி ரெண்டுமே வந்து டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன் பாக்ஸில் இருக்குது. அதை பார்த்து நீங்கள் வந்து தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். என்கிட்ட ரீடிங் புக் பண்ணிக்கலாம். தட்ஸ் சார்ஜபிள். ஓகே, அண்ட் வாட் எல்ஸ், எனக்கு டேரோனால என்னன்னு தெரியாது அப்படின்னு நீங்கள் நினச்சிங்க அப்படின்னா அதுக்கும் ஒரு லிங்க் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன் பாக்ஸில் இருக்குது. யூ கேன் கோ அண்ட் கிளிக். இட் வில் டேக் யூ டு த ஒரு வீடியோக்கு எடுத்துகிட்டு போகும். யூ குட் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் த மீனிங் ஆஃப் டேரோ கார்ட்ஸ் ஆல்சோ. ஸோ லெட்ஸ் பிகின் ஃபார் த ஸ்கார்பியோ. ஓகே, மே மந்த் ப்ரெடிக்ஷன்ஸ். லவ் ரீடிங் ப்ளீஸ். This is for the people who are already in a relationship or already got married. Okay. Some people are stuck in the past. Do want to come out from the past or past relationship or past situation, something like that. You want to come out from your past relationship or past situations. You want to take that new path, but still you are deep thinking about your past situations, nostalgia moments, and you are not coming out of it. You are thinking more. And definitely you would start that new journey very soon because cycles keep changing. So let me clarify என்னென்னலாம் வந்து இருக்குது அப்படின்ற லவ் ரீடிங்கில் இருக்குன்னு வந்து நம்ம கிளாரிஃபை பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம். ஓகே, why the eight of swords is here for the people of why the eight of swords is here, why the eight of swords is here, why the eight of swords is here for the people of Scorpios around, why the eight of swords is here, why the eight of swords is here. I'm really sorry. Cards are marked. Okay, why the eight of swords is here is for the people of Scorpio. Why the eight of swords is here? Why the eight of swords is here? Why the eight of swords is here? Yes, the change is near because as I told you, change is near. And in the card வந்து பார்த்துட்டிங்கன்னா transformation is keep the old one is going to die very soon. It may see பாதி பேருக்கு அது கொஞ்சம் நல்லதாகவும் இருக்கலாம், கொஞ்சம் பேருக்கு அது வந்து பார்த்துட்டிங்க அப்படின்னா you don't want to நீங்கள் எக்ஸ்பெக்டே பண்ணாத சில சேஞ்சஸ், சடன் சேஞ்சஸ்லாம் வந்து definitely it will happen. ஓகே, ஸோ அதுதான் வந்து பார்த்துட்டிங்க அப்படின்னா லைக் that is where you stuck, that is where this is where you stuck because the death card is transformation. The old one wants to die, the new one has to be begin. So that is where you got stuck. You're the one responsible that you got stuck there, but if you want to come out, yes, definitely you can come out of it. Okay, you will receive certain messages or you can look out for it for certain energy or certain situations. It will definitely will happen because that is what going to give you the happiness very soon. Why the six of cups is here? Why the six of cups is here? Why the six of cups is here? Six of Cups is clarified by the Two of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, and the Four of Pentacles. Okay. Very obsession, over possessive. Okay. Maybe நீங்க இருந்திருக்கலாம் அப்படி over possessive, over obsessions. It's always there with the Scorpio people. I know that over possessive, over obsessiveness, and there was a lot of juggling moments to change, to get into a new journey, or uh, and the future you cannot able to go, or you are not in the present also. There's so much of struggle, so much of juggling moments is happening because of your obsession, because of the possessiveness. Okay. நிறைய அந்த juggling moments வந்து என்னால் இங்கே வந்து பார்க்க முடியுது. That's not at all a healthy relationship, if you could ask me. Why the Two of Wands is here? Why the Two of Wands is here? You don't know whether, for some of the people who are unmarried, you don't know like whether this will take to the marriage or not. You don't even know that whether it will take to the marriage or not. You want the new beginning as a marriage, but there is always a decision has to be made on this marriage title. You're so bit confused whether this will take or not அப்படின்ற மாதிரி வந்து ஒரு பெரிய கன்ஃபியூஷன்ஸ் வந்து இருக்கு. Or if it takes to marriage, will it be a stable one அப்படின்ற ஒரு கன்ஃபியூஷனும் வந்து இருக்கு. You're just thinking, you're contemplating, thinking a lot on this. Why the Four of Cups is here? Why the Four of Cups is here? Why the Four of Cups is here? Four of Cups is clarified by the Devil, Queen of Cups, and the Eight of Swords. You got bored, or you got stuck. You got stuck in this kind of one. You got stuck somewhere. You got trapped somewhere. Okay. So that you couldn't able to move. ஏதோ ஒரு விஷயத்தில் வந்துட்டு you got stuck into it, or you don't know what you do. Next step. Nine of Cups. Why the Nine of Cups is why the Nine of Cups is here? See, as far as you ask me, if you come out of this, you can able to enjoy this. You can able to enjoy your own independence. But you're the only reason you're in this position. You want to forget the past. You have to take some risk, okay, to enjoy this in your life. Why the Nine of Cups is here? Why the Nine of Cups is here? Why the Nine of Cups is here? Nine of Cups is clarified by the Ten of Wands, Three of Pentacles, and the Eight of Pentacles. Okay. Why the Fool is here? Another episode. Why the Fool is here? Okay. Why the Fool is here? Okay, I just want you to take some risk in your life, right? When it comes to your relationship. Yes, when it comes to your relationship, you need to take some risk over here, or you please leave the situation and follow what your passion says. Because when you follow your passion, when you have certain ideas in your mind, when it come in this relationship, you could you can start something new, and you can find some stability in your love life. You need to work on, you guys need to sit and talk. You can take a counseling session if you want. Okay, you guys need to sit and talk. If nothing is working out, I see someone is leaving here and following their passion, following what is their heart is, what is their heart says. So I just want you to, if it is so toxic, just leave it. If it is so, if it seems too unhealthy or just a small temporary fight, abhina, just be silence. Okay, what's the advice for the people of Scorpio? What's the advice for the people of Scorpio? I mean, you're stuck in the past, right? The past is very, seems to be very unhealthy and toxic. Come out of it. Then you can enter into this new one. I'm sure, I'm very sure that you're going to come out very, very soon. Only then you can able to find the stability, stable relationship, or either going to be single, or you're going to be in couple, like a couples, I don't know. But only if you take up that fear and the limited thoughts from your mind, you can able to lead a normal life. For the Scorpio people, advice for the people of Scorpio regarding the love. Advice for the people of leave the past, leave the past. Stop being so obsessive, stop being so possessive, because I have got the cups 3. Leave the past, or leave the baggage which is making you to, which is pulling you down. So that my advice is, stop being so possessive, stop being so obsessive. Okay, only then you can able to lead a normal life. Forget the past, heal yourself and move. Okay, career reading for the people of Scorpio, please. Career reading for the people of Scorpio, please. Career reading for the people of Scorpio, please. Heal yourself, heal yourself, heal yourself. The moon, 6 of wands, 8 of wands, king of pentacles, 5 of cups, 5 of swords. Okay, be happy with what you have. If you ask me, the general I just want you to be very, very happy. What do you have? What kind of fame? What kind of recognition? What kind of job you do? I just want you to be very happy. I just want you to enjoy the present moments. Okay, if you keep worrying about the future again and again, yes, it's going to, because as this is a pandemic situation already. I could see lot of 5 of cups in the love reading, and also in this career reading. Sorry, I could see lot of this card. Okay, this people are not so happy. People seems to be very sad. People seems to be like, not happy. I could see lot of unhappiness in all the cards. Maybe because of this pandemic. Now, என்னன்னு வந்து தெரியல. Even you guys does not go through this pandemic problem, you seems to be very unhappy. Yeah, if it is not happening to you, be happy and be grateful for that. You can say thanks to the God, right? Why the moon card is here for the people of Scorpio as a career reading. A career reading, why the moon card is here. A career reading, why the moon card is here. A career reading, why the moon card is here. I seems to be you're happy. you're alone, but at the same time it seems to be you're not accepting certain offers, you're not ready to take that offer. Maybe it could be anything. Okay, I seems to be like, okay, yeah, like emotion wise avo illa vandu like you're not accepting certain offers, you're not appreciating the blessings you have. You're not appreciating the blessings you have. Why the Six of Wands is here? Why the Six of Wands is here? Six of Wands is clarified by the Six of Wands, Six of Swords, Six of Pentacles. What is that 666? உங்கள் லைஃப்பில் ஏதாவது சிக்ஸ் வந்துட்டு ரொம்ப இதாக இருக்கா அப்படின்னு சொல்லி பாருங்கள். You're a very hard worker, you're giving more. You have got the fame, you have got the recognitions, everything. I don't see any problem here, Scorpio people. Okay? And give the right amount, don't give, you're giving more. Give the balanced amount of work wherever you work. நீங்கள் அதிகப்படியாக வேலை பண்ணுறீங்கன்றதுக்காக they are not going to செலவைக்க போகிறதில்ல, அதனால சொல்கிறேன். Why the Five of Cups is here? Why the Five of Cups is here? Sorry. Five of Cups is clarified by the Seven of Pentacles, Seven of and the Temperance. Okay, see, ஏதோ ஒரு oppositions இருக்கு, or else like no, there is a lot of resistance right now in everything is okay, but little bit resistance. நான் ஒரு விஷயம் எதிர்பார்த்துட்டே இருக்கேன், that's not happening, that success fruit I have to taste some other thing அப்படிங்கும்போது please wait, because everything is there. Little bit opposition, little bit or tadangal, little bit obstacle, little bit hurdles are very temporary, because the peace and the harmony, the success you are going to taste in your career is always permanent. Okay, in your career. Why the Page of Swords is here? Why the Page of Swords is here? Why the Page of Swords is here? If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channels, please do subscribe. அதுவும் முக்கியம். Okay, Page of Swords. I think you will make others cry, so I don't worry about. I think I have to worry about the people who are opposing you, or because you know where to give எந்த இடத்துல எப்படி பேசணும், you know everything. I think because of you, people are so scary about it. And yes, other than that, if you have any plans regarding any news or expecting, you can expect the same, or any planning, any vision you do have right now, you can plan and you can execute about it. It's a right time. Okay, advice for the people of Scorpio in a career reading. Advice for the people of Scorpio in a career reading. Other than that, it seems to be pretty good for you, career reading. Self-reflection is more needed, guys. Self-reflection is more needed. Self-reflection is more needed. Be committed to your work alone. Do not involve in any other people's matter. Okay, do your own business. Do not involve in other business. Please be silent. Don't overtalk, because the change is coming in your career. ஓகே, நம்மளே வாய் கொடுத்து நம்மளா போய் வம்பில் மாட்டிக்க வேண்டாம். தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச். லெட்ஸ் ஸ்ப்ரெட் ஒன்லி லவ்.